This beautiful 4-bedroom home is complete with an above-ground pool, and fenced-in yard is move-in ready. This 2015 built home shows like a model and boasts upgrades galore. Complete with 9-foot ceilings, 5 baseboards, stunning kitchen with solid stone surface counters, wood cabinetry and an oversized breakfast bar, decorator faucet, pendant lighting, glass tile backsplash, and Whirlpool Energy Star appliances. This spacious home is situated on an enviable lot in the desirable Creekside community and is ready for new owners. The backyard offers plenty of room for entertaining, and is private with a 6-foot PVC privacy fence that was just installed. This gorgeous community offers a playground and barbecue area. Creekside is a desirable, limited-access development conveniently located to US 41 or I-75 and minutes from Punta Gorda.